This is the roasted dandelion root tea. It comes with 45 individually packed 6-gram pure dandelion tea bags and tea infuser. This dandelion root comes from the highest mountain system in Eurasia, Changbai Mountains. This is one of the 3 black earth regions of the world and has some of the best preserved temperate forests in the world. The soil here is sunny, fertile, and moist, and the dandelion root grown here are well developed and rich in zinc and selenium. Take 1 tea bag and brew it in 200 to 300 ml of hot water and wait 1 to 2 minutes before drinking. It is recommended to drink 3 to 4 times a week. This is the roasted dandelion root tea.